Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Bhuvna. Today I have got something new for you, that's glass painting. So firstly you have to draw any painting which you like. I have drawn here scenery and put a glass on it and then started the painting. Firstly you have to draw all the outlines of the painting and start coloring. So I have started here the drawing by a hut. And then I started the outline of mountains. And then I took green color and started painting the bushes. After painting the bushes, I have started painting the river. After painting the river, I started painting the hut with red and yellow color. Then after painting the hut, I started painting the mountains with grey color. You can also use brown color if you like. Start painting the land with brown color. I have painted the land. Now paint the clouds with white color. So let's see the painting, how it's painted. The complete look of my glass painting. Like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.